Hey pretty girls, so in today's video I'm installing this 13x4 straight wig that I got from Amazon, another Amazon wig. Did y'all see that? Y'all saw all that lace? I hate when they do that. I know y'all hate that too. But yeah, I may have overplucked it just a little, but luckily the hairline was super low, so I was able to cut that part out. But yeah, it was quick and easy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I was sick in this video. I was not feeling it, but I made it do what it do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So let's get into this wig. It was a 13x4 lace frontal, straight, 22 inches, transparent. That's why it has a white cast. Usually on darker skin tones it's harder to blend it, but I went in with a darker concealer at the end, you'll see, and that's how I got it to blend so well. The hair was good quality, honestly. I have no complaints. I didn't use any type of glue. I did turn this into a glueless wig. It had a elastic band already attached to it, so that helped as well. It was no lifting or anything. The only thing would be the ear tabs, but it worked out. For anybody else, if y'all did want to add glue, you can. If you wanted to make it glueless, you could probably put like some got2b on the ear tabs. But yeah, it stayed in place and it was really good. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.